special matchboxes.
Yeah.
The rare matchbox.
Show me something.
This is the longest matchbox that I have in my collection. Then this is the smallest one. And here.
From which country you tell us?
This is from Spain. This one from
just
India.
hold something.
This one from India. Then this is from London. This is known as cylindrical matchbox. Then I have this special one. It is also from India. This is matchbox metal cover. Like during rainy seasons, people use this, like they keep it in their pockets and go outside. But when it rains, the matches get spoiled. So this is a cover which will prevent it from getting wet. This is metal cover and this is wooden cover.
Yeah.
And this is from Egypt. So these were some rare matchboxes in my collection. My name is Diptiman Ray and I'm from Mothers Public School, class 7. This is my matchbox collection, in which I have started from class 1 and till now I have collected more than 23,000 matchboxes. I am inspired by my father. Like in his childhood, he used to collect many matchboxes. Those are kept at home. And now I am inspired by him, so I also collect matchboxes like him. And another major reason is that I am good in drawing and painting. So I like the illustrations that are made on this. Like as we can see, there are many drawings and cartoon illustrations on this. So as many children use phones to do drawings, I use these matchboxes to do drawings. Main motive to collect this thing is that we know old is gold, and I want to preserve this for future generations so that they also get to know like what was matchbox, because this is getting scarcity now in India. Now people are mostly using lighters to light, but these things are should be kept for the future generations so that they get to know how to light, how people used to light matchbox and how to use them. Moral life quotations are also there. Like I also had one, I haven't got it here. One was like APJ Abdul Kalam's one quotation was there, like a moral for our life. So also from that also I get some ideas, and whenever I have some school projects or I need to write some quotes, I also use those matchboxes to see and write. So I also get to know about different countries and the different hotels that are there. Like in India we have Hotel Radisson, then Mayfair Hotel, ITC Hotels, Welcome Hotel in Odisha. So I also get more knowledge about hotels from matchbox. One of the major hurdle is that keeping and storing this at our house. Like these are safety matches, but if we get this to fire, then it could be a disaster. So this need to be kept it very far from other fire things. But the main thing is that my willpower. I am very interested in collecting, so I can do whatever I want to keep them safe. So I have one room for keeping this and storing at my house. Only 13 countries, 12 to 13 countries, and my relatives who live abroad, they know that I live in India, so they get me different matchboxes from other countries. I have collected till 20,000 matchboxes. Like mine is 20,000 matchboxes. Total number of matchboxes is 24,000 matchboxes. Special matchboxes.
Yeah.
The rare matchbox.
Show me something.
This is the longest matchbox that I have in my collection. Then this is the smallest one. And here.
From which country you tell us?
This is from Spain. This one
just
from India.
hold something.
This one from India. Then this is from London. This is known as cylindrical matchbox. Then I have this special one. It is also from India. This is matchbox metal cover. Like during rainy seasons, people use this, like they keep it in their pockets and go outside. But when it rains, the matches get spoiled. So this is a cover which will prevent it from getting wet. This is metal cover and this is wooden cover.
Yeah.
And this is from Egypt. So these were some rare matchboxes in my collection. This pyramid matchbox.
From where?
This is from Russia.
Russia.
Diwali ones. These are the most special ones for me. Like I am very used to collecting Diwali matchboxes. Like during every Diwali, I go to cracker shops and get matchboxes for me. For now, it is to grow my collection and become IS in future. This would be my side interest and this is my passion. So I cannot change my passion for my goal. So both will be handled by me, and this will be continued by some. Yes, sir. In large scale, I may continue this. I have hopes to continue. Like these are small scale, like I'm collecting one by one from different shops and I order. But when I get old, if I become IS, then I may do it in large scales. Rather than wasting time in mobile phones, the knowledge that we can gain from mobile phones can also be gained from collecting different items. I'm not only promoting to collect matchboxes, like many are displaying books also. There should be something like a passion so that we can gain knowledge from it, as it will also help in our future times. Sir, obviously I do like to help others also in my collection. Some of my friends are there who like to collect things, but due to money matters they couldn't. So I at times also exchange with them. I give them some of my collections. Like sir, one best example is that last year in Anjali I also participated. There one of my friend came. Sir, his name was Utkarsh. He was displaying different coins and currencies. Sir, though he had just a small diary with some of the notes pasted, I also have some notes and currencies of different countries at my home. So the second day I gave him like of 5 to 6 countries and I said, please do grow your collection.
एक मिनट बेटा